In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change dependent on TurboTax. If you need to update a dependent's relationship or edit their details in TurboTax, this process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change without getting lost in the menu. Start by going to the My Info section in TurboTax. This is where your personal details and information about anyone included on your tax return are stored. Once you're there, look for the dependent you want to update and select that person from the list. After choosing the dependent, click Revisit. This opens that dependent's information so you can review and make changes. If you're correcting a classification or updating how that person is listed on your return, this is the part of the process where that adjustment begins. Next, find the question that asks, "What is relationship to you?" Select that field so you can change the current setting. TurboTax uses this answer to determine how the dependent is categorized, so it's important to choose the option that matches your situation accurately. From there, you'll be given a choice between My Child and Another Person. In this case, select Another Person. This option is used when the dependent should not be listed as your child and instead fits into a different qualifying relationship category. Choosing the correct relationship helps TurboTax apply the right tax rules and eligibility checks behind the scenes. Once you've selected Another Person, click Continue. That will move you forward to the next screen where TurboTax will prompt you for the necessary information related to that dependent. At this point, just enter the information requested on the screen. As you fill it out, take a moment to review each entry carefully before moving on. Even small mistakes in dependent information can affect credits, filing accuracy, or eligibility for certain tax benefits. If you're updating this because something was entered incorrectly earlier, it's a good idea to double-check saw everything on this page before saving your changes, and that's it. To change a dependent on TurboTax, go to My Info, select the dependent, click Revisit, update the relationship question, choose Another Person, continue, and then enter the requested information. If you're following along inside your own return, move slowly and make sure each screen reflects the correct details before you continue. That way, your dependent information stays accurate and your return is more likely to be completed correctly.